I'm Lisa.
And I'm Anton.
And this is the journey of turning our dream of Celtica into a reality.
Hospitality really meant something to our Celtic ancestors, and over the years that we've been together, we've been told again and again how much people love to come and stay with us.
Guest teachers have come from all over the world. Many a dinner has been cooked, many a tale told, and much love and laughter shared within our home.
In this series, we follow the building of Ty Noddfa Bach, our little sanctuary, and the first step on the path that leads to Celtica.
There's a lot of work to be done, so let's get started.
Well, I just thought I'd take you on a little tour of how far we are now. And one of the more recent things that we got finished was the old pallet kind of wood crib slash wood log house, whatever you want to call it, over there. So it got a roof with shingles that we found in the barn, and underneath it is a couple of pressure treated boards. So we figure we're going to put 2 rows of wood in there that doesn't have to be split. If it has to be split with a log splitter, that's going to be a long way to carry heavy wood. So we do have half of the long crib here, and we have a short and a long crib here, and we're wondering if between that little pallet house and these 2.5 cribs we will have enough space, because people are coming on Monday to take down this giant nut tree. It's a black walnut, and these nuts, my parents used to harvest black walnuts and make nut bread, but we don't have that kind of time, and they are very dangerous. If they fall on you, they can really do some damage, and they have busted skylights in our camper and stuff too. Yep. And so 2 of those big trees to come down, and we noticed that there's a little robin's nest. I don't know if you can really see. There's a little robin's nest up in there, and there were 3 babies, and now there's only 2 heads. And the other day when we were out here doing like some of our final cleanup, we noticed that one was kind of stepping outside the nest, and he left us some unpleasant things to clean up. So all we really have left to do is to put inside a ladder, a wheelbarrow, and the pressure washer, and then they'll be coming, because you can see where that tree is pushing and holding the barn. That's the big debate. So they're going to leave that part of the trunk until the antique barn people come. So this tree is coming down, except for the part that's holding onto the barn, and that big tree is coming down. Anton and I can take those smaller ones, because the idea is to not have anything that holds the water so that the barn can't dry. That's how come we've got so much rot so quickly. All right, and then around this side, you can see this is where we have taken that log crib from. And this cherry tree, unfortunately, is going to have to come out too, because you can see that it's just like seeding cherries into the roof, which is not exactly a good thing. So that's our progress so far, and we'll be keeping you updated. We'll certainly be out here for the festivities of tree removal, and we will make sure if there are any robins left in the nest that they get taken care of properly, so don't worry, no animals will come to harm. Well, believe it or not, I'm outside at 9 o'clock in the morning. Because the tree people are supposed to come any minute. But we just wanted to show you that the baby robins have indeed flown the nest. so I don't know again if you can see very well, but you can see right through the nest now. No little heads, no mom. It's been 24 hours, so they'll be safe. And all of these trees, branches, there's 2 trees with tons of branches that have been rotting the barn, are coming down today, and we will document for you because we've been working really hard to get things cleaned up and ready for the antique barn restoration guy to come and take the barn away. So we're just waiting for the tree people. This tree's gonna stay. My dad and I planted it when I was little. It was a little teeny, about big as your finger. All right.
See this though?
Tent caterpillars.
Nasty. We don't like tent caterpillars.
No, they're nasty as right.
Fortunately,
They're gonna be frappéed today,
yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
Was all going swimmingly well until the big machine had a hydraulic leak. Racin, fracin, Mercury retrograde, they'll have to come back another day.